Guys, hope you're doing well, and today's unboxing is going to be about this Dell laptop which I've recently got, and the specs are over here. I'm just going to show you the specs quickly so you can see the specs. It's a Vostro machine. Lots of people get confused, what is a Vostro machine? Well, a Vostro Dell notebook or a laptop is basically a business machine classed for business purposes. For small business purposes, this machine is fantastic. So first of all, the packaging, it's plain brown packaging, Dell logo on the sides, and over here it gives you the detail of the product. So it's the Vostro 3000 machine, and it's got a 15.6 inch display, and it's got an SSD built inside it. Plus it's packed with a lot of high-tech features. It's the latest notebook for 2020. Let's go ahead and open it up. So as soon as you open up the upper lid of the packaging, it comes with this protective shell. So I'm just going to remove the shell. So in the box it comes with this UK plug and a charger, 45-watt charger. That's sort of a quick manual and some safety and regulatory information. First of all, it feels quite plasticky, and it's got this Dell shiny logo in the center. It's got this honeycomb effect on the top of the lid. Here we go, guys. It's a 15.6 inch Core i3 10th generation notebook. The honeycomb effect is on the palm rest area. The trackpad is quite big. It doesn't seem to be flimsy at all. And then you have the keys, which are, I think so, like butterfly keys or scissor keys, whatever you call them, but they're quite smooth. Vostro notebooks usually come with 8 GB of RAM, and this one has got an SSD built in, so it's got 256 GB of SSD. So this is how it looks, and on the side we have these ports. So guys, first of all we have the power port, then we have the HDMI port, then we have the RJ45 connection, 2 USB ports, and a microphone jack. So on the front it's absolutely plain. On your right side, so on the right side you get a port for your SD card and one port for your USB. So guys, on the rear there's nothing, it's just plain, and on the bottom it's got this Vostro imprint, and you have the serial number, and yeah, so this is it. So guys, this was my unboxing for this machine. As I told you that I won't be doing a speed test at the moment. If you are planning to buy a machine for your work, for your business, or for your home, and your budget is between £400–500, I think then this machine is a very good option. So guys, this was my quick unboxing for the Dell Vostro machine, the Core i3 10th generation. I didn't do a speed test, I'm very sorry for that, but I will be making other videos, and hopefully we'll run through some speed tests later on. Alright guys, appreciate your time, and thanks for watching. Any questions you have, just post it in the comment section below and I'll reply to you. Alright, bye bye.